Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a mouse not working with easy to follow steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, let's do some basic checks. If you're using a wired mouse, ensure it is properly connected to the PC. For a wireless mouse, ensure that the USB receiver is properly plugged in. Also ensure that the power switch on the mouse itself is turned on. Ensure that the batteries are fully charged, and if the batteries are removable, try replacing them. For a wired mouse, inspect the cable for any tears or frays. If you notice any damage to the cable, you'll need to replace the mouse. Also try cleaning the sensor area under the mouse with a cloth. If you're using a trackball mouse, try cleaning around the ball. If the mouse still doesn't work after following these steps, try using it on another device. If the mouse also doesn't work on that device, you'll know that the mouse is defective and needs to be replaced. If it does work on the other device, you know it's a software issue on your PC. If you're on a laptop, you can follow along with the rest of this video using your trackpad. If you're on a desktop or your trackpad doesn't work, don't worry. You can use the keyboard to follow through this video. Press the Windows key, then hit the Tab key till you get to the profile image here. Press the right arrow key to go to the power button here. Press space, then click the down arrow and select Restart. Hit Enter. If restarting the system didn't fix the issue, we're going to update the driver next. Press the Windows key and X on your keyboard, then use the down arrow to select Device Manager. Hit Enter. Press Tab, then use the down arrow to select Mice and other pointing devices. Hit the right arrow to expand it, then use the down arrow to select your mouse driver, then hit Enter. Press the Tab key until General is selected, then press the right arrow to get to the driver tab. Press the Tab key until Update Driver is selected. Hit Enter. Hit Enter to select this option. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Once the update is complete, press Tab to get to close, then hit Enter. If the mouse still not working, press Tab to get to uninstall, then hit Enter. Make sure this box remains unchecked. Press Tab to get to uninstall, then hit Enter. Afterwards, restart your system the same way we did earlier. Windows will then reinstall the mouse driver and the problem should be fixed. If the issue still persists, next thing we're going to do is check the USB port power management settings. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and X, then use the down arrow to get to Device Manager, then hit Enter. On Device Manager, press Tab, then hit the down arrow till you get to Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Press the right arrow key to expand it, then use the down arrow to select a USB port, then hit Enter. Press the Tab key till you get to General, then hit the right arrow key to get to Power Management. Press the Tab key and press space to deselect this option. Afterwards, press Tab to get to OK, then hit Enter. Repeat this process for all USB ports. If your mouse still doesn't work after following all the steps in this video, it is a clear indicator that the mouse is damaged and needs to be replaced. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.